Bharat Bill Pay is an Indian integrated bill payment system, BBPS, operated by the NPCI, National Payments Corporation of India, Bharat Bill Pay Limited. Bharat Bill Payment System, BBPS, is available for partners such as billers, operating units, and developers. BBPS is accessible through a network of agents and the Unified Payment Management System, UPMS. Citizens can pay all listed bills through multiple payment channels such as internet banking, UPI, mobile banking, wallets, kiosks, ATMs, bank branches, agents, and business correspondents. Are you experiencing problems with Bharat Bill Pay? Raise your concerns with corporate, partner, or customer care executives by filing a complaint online with Bharat Bill Pay and its officials. The issues can be payments, complaints about refund, failed transaction, money debited but no confirmation, transaction ID not received, and others. BBPS partners, issues related to Bharat Bill Pay partners such as agents, billers, operator units, customer biller, developers, and others. Others, any concerns regarding corporate governance and support including complaints about the administrative staff officials. Still, not resolved. You may file a complaint to the Banking Ombudsman of the Reserve Bank of India about payment disputes not resolved by Bharat Bill Pay payment channels such as wallets, banks, or BBPS aggregators. How to file a complaint of Bharat Bill Pay? According to the Grievance redressal policy of NPCI Bharat Bill Pay Ltd, NBBPL, the resolution mechanism is divided into 3 levels. If your complaint is not resolved at the initial stage, then escalate to the next authority. Grievance redressal mechanism. Registration fee. No charges, 0 rupees. Resolution period. Up to 30 days, read the grievance redressal policy. Refund period. Within 7 business days, read the refund and compensation policy. Levels of complaint escalation. Level 0. Payment channels. Initially, file your billing or payment related complaints to your payment channels such as Google Pay, Paytm, PhonePe, or other platforms banks. Level 1. Bharat Bill Pay, NBBPL. Level 2. Banking Ombudsman, RBI. Tip. Beware of scams. Don't share bank personal details. Use only the official payment channels app for help. Stay safe. Level 1. Customer Service, Bharat Bill Pay. If your submitted BBPS, Bharat Bill Payment System, complaints to payment channels at level 0 are not resolved to your satisfaction within the given resolution period, usually takes 7 days, then file a complaint to the Customer Support Department of Bharat Bill Pay. You can do this, you filing a complaint online with NBBPL. These are the required details. Nature of complaint. Contact details, phone number and email. Payment channel, bank, payment app, or outlet. Transaction details, date and amount. BBPS transaction ID, optional Bharat Bill Pay transaction reference ID. Description of the issue with a screenshot of the transaction. After successfully registering your complaint, must note down the reference ticket ID to track the status of the complaint. If not resolved, use it to escalate the case to the nodal officers. File an online complaint. Details to raise your BBPS concerns online with BBPL. Complain online to Bharat Bill Pay. File a complaint. BBPL Partner Corporate Support. Click here, bharatbillpay.com. Email bbps@npci.org.in for privacy security disputes. If your complaint is not resolved to your satisfaction by Bharat Bill Pay, you may escalate the complaint to the National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, with reference ID. BBPL Corporate Support. Details of the Bharat Bill Pay Administration and Corporate Support. Phone number +912240009100 +912240009101. Address: NPCI Bharat Bill Pay Limited, 1001A, B Wing, 10th floor, The Capital, Bandra Kurla Complex, Bandra, E. Mumbai 400051. For more details related to BBPL, please prefer to communicate with officers. Level 2. Banking Ombudsman, RBI. If your complaints with Bharat Bill Pay are not resolved within 30 days, or as specified, or if you find the final resolution unsatisfactory, you can file a complaint against BBPL to the Banking Ombudsman of the Reserve Bank of India. Click File a complaint with Banking Ombudsman, RBI. Provide all pertinent details related to the BBPS dispute and include reference acknowledgement number of previous complaints, including transaction IDs. Additionally, attach supporting documents, screenshots, and evidence that can verify your case. Please note, if you have complaints about the allegations of corruption, misuse of power, or other administrative misconducts of the BBPL officers, then you may lodge a grievance to the Directorate of Public Grievances, DPG, of the Government of India. Reference: